Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a minimal Flask app so you can connect Python logic to HTML. In app, instantiate Flask name, add a route returning render template, index, HTML, and set up templates / and static / directories. Once done, install dependencies with pip and verify Python can run app. This first step gives you a running server process and a clear file layout. It's necessary so that backend endpoints can serve HTML and assets reliably while you build interactivity. Next, you wire Python variables into HTML and set up data exchange. Use render template to populate templates with context dicts for initial page rendering. Then implement routes that accept post or get reading request, form or request, get JSON, and returning JSON via JSONify for AJAX. On the front end, fetch or form submission sends data to endpoints. Static Java script in static / consumes JSON and updates the DOM. Make sure to validate inputs server-side. Finally, start the Flask server and test every route from the browser and via fetch or curl to confirm responses. Once endpoints return expected HTML or JSON, iterate front-end updates and confirm forms or AJAX flows, change the page as intended. For deployment, switch to a WSGI server like Unicorn and set production config. If things go wrong, check browser console and Flask logs first. A common issue is CORS or mismatched route names. Enable CORS or correct endpoints and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.